Hi guys, it's just a quick tutorial about how to write in calligraphy with Elian script, and I'm just gonna try to show you basics so you can figure it out yourself, like how to do it, how to write down characters, how to make your own alphabets. This is just for the classic, this is not the Gothic font, but the classic font in calligraphy. For example, when you're writing in Latin, this will look like something like that. Let me write an hello real quick. This is not my best hello at all. But like this is the classic font, and when you're, it was so for me. I learned this font at first and then I learned Gothic. Gothic was a little bit more advanced for the Latin alphabet. I'm gonna make another video about Gothic font in Elian script, but for now let's stick with this font. Okay, cool. Now there is two golden rules, I'm gonna name them, in calligraphy. One is you need to be able to write down lines and points. Clear enough, right? For points you need to make it like a square, like that. You need to practice it. I'm not perfect, I know. Okay, for lines is that there is one rule, which is you need to start it thin and you need to end it thin. This is one golden rule. If you start it thin and if you end it thick, then it doesn't look good at all. But if you end it thin, then it's better. It's a beginner rule. If you stick with that rule, that will be really cool for you. I promise. Okay, now let's just quickly write up some letters and see how they look like. Let's write burn. Okay? Burn is a good word. For the letter B, if you're writing in calligraphy and if you're a beginner, you need to just write it part by part, one by one. Don't rush it. Slowly, slow and steady, you're definitely gonna figure it out. Okay, when we're done with the head part of the letter B, then we're gonna write the other part, the middle, and then we're gonna make the following. Okay, you can write it like that, but you can also write it in different styles. It's up to you, you know. I like it that way better for the letter B. But when we're writing letter H, for example, like here, I make this last part like looking upwards. I like it better that way. Now let's write the letter U. For letter U, I'll be doing the longer part, the second one, but you can make it the other part as well. For example, like that. Maybe it's better for you. Okay. Then we're gonna write the letter R. I'm gonna first part and the second part, one by one. And letter N. For letter N, I have another technique for this, kind of tail part. I make it like that, like E at first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I choose a corner, then I make the tail. But if you don't like it like that, you can do it a bit different. For example, you can do this part long and make your way through other parts. But I think this looks a bit cooler, in my opinion. Yeah, this is basically it. And if you don't have a calligraphy pen at all, because these are a bit expensive for beginners, if you find it so, I used kind of highlighters to begin with. I used for a long time highlighters and it works well for me, but after some time I thought, why I don't get another pen, like a real calligraphy pen. Okay, to hold a highlighter as a calligraphy pen, you need to, if you're left-handed like me, you need to hold it like that, and then you need to write your way through. I believe there is a lot of tutorials about this. If you can't find it, just comment down below and I will make another video about how to hold highlighter pen as a calligraphy pen and write it like that. Okay, so thank you for watching. Goodbye.